for this example, we're going to solve 2 over x plus 1 over 2x equals 5 over 6. In order to solve this, the easiest way is by finding the least common denominator. And then once we find the least common denominator, we can multiply it by every single term so that the denominators will all cancel and we'll just have a regular equation. So if we look at all the denominators, this one has an x, so we know we're going to need an x. This one has a 2, so we know we're going to need a 2. And 6 consists of 3 and 2, so we also need a 3. So if we multiply all that out, we get 6x. So our least common denominator is 6x. So we're just going to multiply all the numerators by 6x. Six x times 2 is 12x over, we're just going to leave the denominators the way they are for right now. 6x times 1 is 6x over 2x equals 6x times 5 is 30x over 6. And now we're going to reduce everything. So these x's will cancel, and we're just left with 12, plus these x's will cancel, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And now 30 divided by 6 is 5, and we still have the x, so 5x. And now we're going to solve for x. 12 plus 3 is 15 equals 5x. And now to isolate x, we just divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So x equals 3. Whenever you do this, you have to check and make sure that x equals 3 is within your domain. It looks like here, x cannot be 0, because remember the denominators can never be 0. And here, same thing, because even if we put 2x cannot equal 0, you divide by 2, you still get 0. So the only thing that x cannot be is 0. And because our solution is 3, that means that we're okay. So x equals 3 is our final answer.